If you have a house in Sharonville, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and get a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Sharonville. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Sharonville prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer rather than work with more of a traditional buyer that needs to qualify for a loan, a mortgage, or some type of financing. So first and foremost, with us, we're going to keep it easy because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. There's no money out of your pocket that you need to contribute to make any updates or repairs before we're willing and able to close on the house. Also, you don't need to haul anything away, so anything that you want out of the house, you certainly can have and keep, and that's your stuff. Anything that you don't want, you can just leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. So what allows us to buy houses as is we use cash. We're not relying on financing. So typically with a traditional buyer who is using financing, it's more complicated and it could be more costly for you, the seller, because if you're relying on this lender to come through for you, that kind of throws a wrench in things. So with a traditional buyer who's using financing, they're going to send through a thorough inspector on the house. And this is a bit intrusive if you ask me, but they're going to test every single electrical outlet, test every single switch, light switch. They're going to test every ceiling fan and open and close the doors and the windows. And basically, they're going to compile pages and pages and pages of everything that's wrong with the house. And that could only be used against you for discounts, extensions, and renegotiate with you. And then if you survive the inspection, it gets worse because they got to send their appraiser through. The appraiser works for the lender, and the lender's a bank. I think we all know that the banks have their own best interests in mind. They can pull the rug out from under this thing at any time, cancel on you, and then send you back to square one. So what happens then is you just wasted a ton of time. Who knows how much time went by, 30, 60, 90 days, while you're waiting for all these inspections and things like that. But you didn't just waste time, you wasted money, because in real estate, it's not just time. I mean, every day that goes by that you didn't sell your house in Sharonville, right? You're paying utilities, you're paying taxes, you're paying insurance costs. There's just opportunity cost. You're not going to have to deal with any of that with us. So if you have a house in Sharonville and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, not deal with any third-party approvals needed or anything like that, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in the website name. We were founded in Columbus, but we buy properties in Sharonville and all over the Cincinnati area. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your closing time frame, because with us, you tell us when you want to close. If you want to close quickly, we can do that. If you need something more flexible and you want to set a future target date, we can do that as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in Sharonville. If the offer works for you, great, we're going to get it done. If the offer doesn't work for you, this is not a high-pressure situation. We're not going to create fake urgency and play games and gimmicks. That's what you get with the call centers. The call centers are the ones who are sending you text messages and leaving voicemails for you and cold calling you and saying they want to buy your house in Sharonville. They've never been to Sharonville. Who knows if they've been to Ohio, and who knows if they're even in the United States. So be careful for the gimmicks that are out there. We're local. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials and references for you. And we'd love the opportunity to talk to you about your house in Sharonville. So give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.